Hello guys. My name is Charles and I'm here today to talk about Dentitox Pro, the absolute truth. There are a lot of questions about Dentitox Pro, if it works, if it's safe, so I did some research, read reports from other users and decided to record this video to help you clarify these questions. A formula that will support the health of your teeth, keeping them strong and your breath fresh. Dentitox Pro is an oral support supplement that aims to rebuild gums and teeth, all while getting rid of tooth decay. Developed by researcher Mark Hall, Dentitox has an easy but powerful formula, consisting of amazing vitamins and plants such as vitamins A, C, D3 and K2, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, microencapsulated calcium, mec, xylitol, collagen, is 100% safe, without reports of side effects, are natural, coming from local producers that allow plants to reach their full maturity and do not use chemical treatments. They are mixed in the right way and in the right amount to keep their properties intact. They are processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipment. Dentitox Pro is non-GMO and safe. You can rest assured that it does not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are not habit-forming. The product is manufactured here, in the US, at our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities, to sterile, rigorous and accurate standards. About the warning I made at the beginning of the video, several people are selling the counterfeit product, which makes it not have the expected results. Only on the official website the purchase is safe and with guarantees. And rest assured, because if after buying, if you don't like it, you can ask for a full refund of the amount paid within 60 days. If any questions remain, the official website has the answers to the frequently asked questions to help you. I will leave in the description link to the official website with a special offer. Results with Dentitox Pro depend on external factors because each body reacts and absorbs nutrients in a unique way. Many people start to see better results faster, and it will depend on how serious you follow the treatment. I hope you can also get results like me, which helped me to regain my quality of life. Subscribe to the channel to receive the next videos. Thank you and goodbye.